Hey guys, it's Keeping Up with Tay here, and it's your girl, Glamorous Taye. Okay, period. And as y'all can see by the name of the video, we are doing an unboxing, and I'm going to be showing you guys, you know, how the recording sounds with and without the what is it, the recording thing or whatever it is, but y'all gonna see. Okay, so let's get started. I just found my package came, so we're about to go downstairs and we're about to go and get the motherfucking package, period. So make sure you guys stay tuned, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, make sure you guys smash that motherfucking like button. Why? Because my channel is lit, it's gonna be lit, it's gonna be forever lit, and y'all already know. So make sure you guys stay tuned, and don't forget once again to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe. Okay. All right. So let's go, and no, come with me to go and get my package. Oh my God, guys, my package is here. Are you guys ready? I'm super duper excited. So guys, here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Hey, hey, here it is. Okay, y'all, so we back at it. I got my package. So y'all already know it's going down up in the building. If y'all don't know, y'all better find out. So let's get started, because y'all know I'm the angel that I say I am. So duh. So I got this stuff from Amazon. So y'all, I was watching a lot of YouTubes, and let me just say, this thing, I don't know, we're about to see though, because I don't know, I was getting mixed reviews on it, on the whole entire thing, because I was told that, you know, the Canon Mark II wasn't able to get the external mic. What?
Say what?
Say what?
Say what?
So of course I had to Google it, because you know, it's always, you know, you can always creep around it. Of course, it's never nothing without something. So you know, we always try to put stuff together. So I was watching this video and I was actually impressed.
Oh my God! Wow!
Very impressed. So I did purchase all of the items that she stated. So we're going to try it for ourselves. And trust me, I'm not about to lie to y'all. I'm about to keep it 100, period. All the way 100. I'm about to keep it 100, for real. Because don't be lying to me. Don't have me buying this stuff if you know it don't work. So I'm about to keep it all the way 100. And I'm about to show y'all. Y'all hear? Y'all make sure y'all listen to me now. So right now, I do not have any external mic on connected to it whatsoever. It's right here. So we're going to try it with, and we're going to try without. Okay? So we're going to get started. I'm going to do the unboxing first, and then of course at the end of the video, which you want to stay until the end, make sure you watch the whole entire video. Don't be watching half of my videos, okay? Because I don't go and watch half of yours. So don't be watching half of my videos, okay? So yeah, let's get started. So first of all, we're going to do the unboxing, and I'm about to show y'all everything that it came with, and I'm about to show y'all everything that's inside of the box. So yeah, let's get started. All right, so I'm just gonna rip that open because it's an Amazon package. Like my real package is on the inside, so the paper I don't really care about. So of course we're gonna say this one for last. This is the mic. This is the mic. See that? This is the mic. Then of course we have this is the metal bracket that connects to the camera. So I'm gonna open this up. I'll have to switch to my phone and record, because I want to show y'all how it's going. Okay. All right. So, and this is the piece that goes inside of the camera. I really gotta try this, because every piece I done tried don't even work. So we're gonna see. Okay. All right. So let's first of all open this. And I don't know why I'm ripping it like this, because if it don't work, I'm returning it. I need all of my money. I know that's right. All right, so let's open it. I'm gonna show y'all the piece as I'm going. Y'all can see that. Y'all can see that. All right, so let me show y'all. So this is the little piece. I don't know if y'all can see it. All right, so this is the piece. So this is the little piece right here. And I'm guessing, I don't know, we'll see. All right, so I don't know how this is gonna go because I don't know, we'll find out. All right, and of course we have, this is the bracket. I'm gonna show you guys the bracket. All right. So here is the bracket. This is the little piece, the little bracket piece right here. This is what I'm going to connect to the camera itself. I feel like I'm missing some pieces though. I don't know, we'll see. But this is the bracket. Okay. And then we have, now we have the actual mic itself. So I don't know if you guys want to see. This is how it looked. And okay, so this is the VXR10 universal cardioid microphone. Mobile creators wanted, or whatever it says. Small yet powerful, max noise reduction, universal capability, and battery-free operation. So this is what we're working with. Y'all, I'm super duper excited. All right, so let's see. Y'all, when I'm opening stuff, don't play with me. I would rip this mess wide up open. I want to roll my eyes at you. I really want to roll my eyes at you. Oh my god! Oh my god! Do y'all see this? This is so freaking cute. It's so freaking cute. Alright, so now we have the two clips. See that? The two clips. And that's what the microphone is gonna go on. And of course, I love these things. I had one before and I lost it. I can't believe it. We have the little piece. I guess this will help with the noise reduction or whatever. This will help with the noise reduction. Yeah. So we're gonna try that. And then we have the, I don't know, is this the cord? Alright, so we have the little cord, the little piece, or whatever the case may be. I'm gonna try. I don't know where exactly this go at first. And then we have, so I'm guessing we have two of them. So I'm gonna see which one fits better, I guess. I don't know. I guess it's only for you to find out. And then we have the bag. We have the bag. So I guess, of course, if you want to not connect it or take it out from the connection from the camera, you can just put it back into your bag and, you know, just put it up. So yeah, we're about to get started and see how this really works, because y'all already know, if y'all know me, y'all know I'm not about to lie about nothing. Oh, and don't forget to check out my hair vendor. Link will be in the bio. No, link will be in the description. Y'all see this? Period. I'm so cute. Makeup done by me. Period. All right, so let's get started. Okay, y'all, so right now I have my camera. Okay, so I'm going to be taking off the case. I love pink, y'all, so if y'all want to send me some stuff, make sure y'all put it in pink. All right, so here's the, I don't know what you call it, but y'all know what I'm talking about. So I'm just gonna screw it to the bottom of the camera, and I'm just gonna twist it Yeah, I don't know nothing about this, y'all. So it looked like you would need a screwdriver or something. Okay, let's screw this mold in. Okay, so it's in. This is where I would connect the mic, the external mic. And then of course I will use this part right here to connect back to the ring light. I'm sorry, not the ring light, the thing that I was using. Hold on. So it's on. So next thing is, I did forget to show y'all the mic. So the mic was actually inside of here. So I don't know. I'm gonna wait to put it in until I put everything together. So of course, I'm going to put this on right here. Clip it on. It's clipped. And then I am going to, see that? I'm just going to push it in. And then I'm going to tighten it. Y'all, I can get used to this. I can get used to this, child. And then, of course, okay, so it's on this side. So now, okay, so now I'm going to connect the actual cables to it. So here's the back of the mic, and then I have where the USB part goes right here. So what I'm going to do now, I am going to, okay, so as I show you guys the first time, this is the piece that I actually purchased. So I purchased this piece separately. This piece came with the actual recorder. This piece and this piece. I don't know which piece goes with which, so I'm thinking it's this piece. I think it's this piece. So I'm going to use this one, and I am going to connect. All right, so I'm going to connect this to this. And then this piece right here, I'm going to connect to my camera. So I connected to my camera. I'm gonna turn it. Let me see if it can go the other way. Oh, so no, it can't. I feel like it's gonna be too much cords in the way, but hey, as long as the sound is good, I'm okay with that. All right, so now I'm going to connect this piece to the mic. So this piece is going to go on this side and goes inside of the mic. So yeah, it looks kind of crazy, but if it's giving good quality sound, that's okay. We're gonna deal with it until we can do better. All right, so it gave me 2 of them. So I guess you're gonna use one piece. If you lose one, then of course you'll have an extra one. All right, so give me 1 second. We're gonna try this thing out. Okay. So I did go ahead and put on my little furry thing. I love furry stuff. So I did go ahead and connect it. Only because I don't like it without it. So I'm just going to try it with it. And yeah, I forgot. It did come with the Arlen key. So now I'm going to tighten it. I forgot to add this in it. But it did come with it. So you're going to use this, either this side or this side. And you're just going to twist it in tight. And it's tight. So it doesn't shift or it doesn't get loose or anything like that. So I'll be back. And this time I'm going to be back actually recording from it. So y'all gonna see the difference. Okay guys, so I am back, and right now I do have everything connected. So I hope you guys listen to this video really good, because we are going to be doing some comparisons, only because I want to see if it works too. So make sure y'all let me know in the comments if y'all actually see a difference. Let me know in the comments right now. Stop what you're doing and comment below if you actually hear a difference. Right now I'm talking like kind of loud with it, but I'm always talking loud. So make sure you guys comment below on if you hear a difference in the mic. Because once again, in the beginning of the video, I did record with the camera and I did not have the mic connected to it at all. I did not have the mic connected, and I did not have the mic on it at all. But now I have everything connected, so let me know if you hear a difference, because if y'all don't hear a difference, I am returning this mess as soon as possible. So make sure y'all let me know. Yeah, go ahead, let me know. And also don't forget to follow all of my social medias, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you love if you don't like me, if you don't love me or like me, that sounds like a major issue on yourself. Because I am very loved by everyone. So make sure you guys click that notification button, because on my next video I will be lit, more lit. Okay, so make sure you guys stay tuned for the next videos that's coming up, because I will get ghetto in this and we're about to be doing a whole bunch of different stuff. Oh yeah, and make sure you guys comment below on what you think, what other content you guys want me to post, because I'm thinking of so many different posts, so many different content. But once again, it's not up to me. I want to make you guys happy. So yeah, make sure you guys let me know. Bye.